Hello there, family friends. If you're from Karcher K3, Joey Jones is back on the road. Well, first, let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and got the CDL test. I got a lot of emails. I got a lot of phone calls, text messages, and it's like a celebration, man. There's a lot of people driving already trucks. They're already with the mentors, and that's a good feeling, and I'm happy for you, man. I'm so happy for you. I told you, man, any questions, I got you. I got your back, you know. I can only do is just give you the heads up, you know, what's coming. What do you have to get ready for? And I answer a lot of emails, and it turns out to be okay, you know. Well, right now, I'm just celebrating myself too, you know. I'm just out here trying to get this truck cleaned out. So I had to do different settings and different setups, you know. Let me get out this truck so I can show you what I'm going to do it. So right now, you can see I got my Optimus Prime. I call it the Optimus Prime. And then try to get this truck cleaned out. So my setup that I have here is my Karcher K3, and I had to get a generator. So I got the Preasure 4000, and you can set up the 220 AC with the 13 amp, and then of course it's got the other 13 amp brackets, and it kicks 32,000. This right here, it comes in handy, man. It's not that loud. I thought it was gonna be louder, so I had to do the setup so I can get this truck washed. It's either that or pay somebody to do it, but I'd rather do it myself. Look at that, worked just about perfect. So what I was gonna try to do, I was gonna try to use the inverter. There's an inverter built in the truck, but it's not strong enough. It's not strong enough for the pressure washer. So I had to invest on that there. And that there I can run my I can run the pressure washer, I can run the vacuum cleaner and everything else that I need to do, or if I go camping, you know, it comes in handy. So yeah, I gotta get this truck washed. So I'm happy for you, so proud of you. I knew you can do it. There's a lot of you that are like, Joey Jones, do I have to know English? Come on, man, just read the thing and learn it, you know. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. So don't forget to watch ABC Drive. Love y'all, God bless y'all. I'll see you in my next video.